Hello, I'm Carly McAvoy. Today I just want to briefly show you about modeling with a formula. This particular problem was for the years after 2000, represented by X, the percentage, which represented by P, of eligible voters who actually vote can be modeled by the equation P equals 2.5X plus 23. When they ask you a question about this kind of thing, they can only ask you two things. They can ask you something where you have this and you have to find the percentage, or they can ask you the percentage where you have to find the year. That's really the only two things. So what percentage of people voted in 2009? Remember, X stands for the years after 2000. So if I want to know the percentage, I'm going to say 2.5 times 9, because that's 9 years after 2000. And then I'm going to solve that equation. I can just use a calculator. You can do it in your head if you want, but 2.5 times 9 and then plus 23 gives me 45.5. So the percentage of people who could vote, who actually did vote in 2009, was 45.5%. That's it. The other one is, what if they gave you, instead, they told you, when will the percentage reach 60%? And they wanted you to give the year. So on that one, the percent we know to be 60. Whoops, we know that's 60. So I'm going to plug in 60 for that. And my formula is here. And so I'm going to say, well, I want to find out when X, what year would be when we actually get to 60% of the people coming out to vote. So I'm going to subtract 23 from both sides. And then I'm going to divide both sides. So 60 minus 23 is 37. And then divide both sides by 2.5. And 37 divided by 2.5 is 14.8. Now that's not my answer, because they want us to give the year. What year would that? Remember, X is the years after. So in 2000, if I added 14.8 years to that, I'd be at 2014.8. What that means is in 2014, it didn't quite reach that. The first year that it's actually going to reach that is 2015. I can't say 2014.8. I'm going to say in 2015, we would actually reach, we'd exceed a little bit, but we'd reach that 60% mark. We would not have made it there in 2014. All right. That's it. Have a great day. I'll talk to you later.